Our partnership with Sennheiser brings together high-quality audio-video with wireless collaboration to provide a flexible, easy-to-use meeting space solution. Hi, I'm Matt Davis. I'm the partner manager for Airtame. Airtame have been partnered with Sennheiser for a few years now, so we understand each other's technology and always working to bring the strengths of our products together to create seamless meeting room experiences. Simplicity is a huge part of our partnership, ensuring our combined solution is simple to use and simple to manage. Together, Airtame 3 and Sennheiser TeamConnect bar create a wireless video conferencing solution that isn't limited to video conferencing, because you can still screen share, use digital signage, and introduce emergency alerts. And anybody in that collaboration space can do this and share whatever information they need to up on the big screen. From a user point of view, when you're connecting the Sennheiser TeamConnect bar to Airtame 3, it's as difficult as plugging in a USB. There's nothing else to it. With Airtame 3, you can also use digital signage. Perhaps that's for when the room is not in use. You can do that very simply by going to your Airtame Cloud account. So you could do that via PowerPoint or videos in Dropbox or YouTube videos, or even an integration with Canva that we have. Our combined solution works anywhere in any space where people need to collaborate, whether they're doing that in the same room or remotely. This is all done completely wirelessly because the solution totally eliminates the need for cables. Our partnership with Sennheiser is more than just the product integration, it's the relationships that are built between our companies, creating a really seamless experience for the end user.